When we say risk in the stock market, what comes to your mind? Bear market? Buying the wrong stock? Entering at the top? Yes, those are real risks, but you can still recover if you sell at the right time. That's the part most people ignore, because the real danger isn't loud. It doesn't shout like a market crash. It hides quietly in your hesitation, in your lack of a plan to exit. The biggest risk in the stock market? Not selling at the right time. You may pick the right stock. You may even enter at the right time. But if you don't exit when you should, your entire capital can vanish, quietly, without warning. You hold too long, waiting for just a little more. But the tide turns, and your gains disappear. Smart investors book profit with a plan. Greedy ones keep hoping. And remember, hope is not a strategy. The moment you're hoping the stock will come back, you've stopped thinking. That's when you're in trouble. Always plan your exit before you enter. Know your targets, know your stop loss, and most importantly, follow them. Everyone talks about when to buy, but hardly anyone talks about when to sell. That's where the real game is won or lost. So the next time someone asks, what's the biggest risk in the market? You'll know, not knowing when to sell. Want us to make a video on simple, common sense sell rules? Drop a comment and let us know. If enough of you ask, we'll make it happen. Stick with Stick Nation for more videos that keep investing simple, sensible, and smart.